Hey, what's up guys, welcome to a quick little tutorial about how to insert and remove the ear tips of the AirPods Pro. So believe it or not, but many people do not know how to remove and just put the ear tips of AirPods. But in this video I will teach you all how to do this. Many people do this, but this won't work. This would damage your ear tips, and the AirPods Pro tips are not usual in-ear type tips. So what you have to do is press from up and press from down and just pull it. It will look like I'm breaking it, but no, we have to pull it because what it does is it creates a vacuum. That's why it fits in the earphone. So at the end what you have to do is just press from up and press from down and then pull it. It is just so easy, and in order to put in, just press it. Don't be too harsh, otherwise the speaker may have some issues and the ear tip may broke, but press it gently and it will get fixed. So if you do end up learning something from this video, be sure to give it a good old thumbs up. And yes, I know I'm not uploading as much because my exams are going on, so be sure to subscribe to my channel. I will upload many videos. I have planned many videos. Be sure to subscribe, and peace out. I'll meet you all in the very next episode.